Got it for the range, we stepped in the car. 245 miles on one charge. Charge overnight, battery for days. Through with the map, so he shows you the way. Charging is different, careful with the hose, don't stick it in the squares.
It's raining heavy and the wind stronger.
Visit renault.co.uk/voucher. New cars ordered by March 31st. Retail customers of participating dealers play WLTP figures for comparability purposes. Actual real-world driving results may vary. Navigation from iconic to details. Visit renault.co.uk/sorry. Can I have chemo at home?
It's only suitable for a couple of types of cancer.
When you search one question about cancer, you end up with millions of results which contradict each other. For clear and uncomplicated information, come to Cancer Research UK. Visit us online or give us a call on 0808 800 40 40. Cancer Research UK. Together, we will beat cancer.
When things around the house aren't going swimmingly, you'll find professional tradespeople who always come to the rescue at trustatrader.com. Made-to-measure furniture at made-to-measure prices. Get to Knightons now, because with Knightons' very own range, you're buying direct from the manufacturer. Any size or style of suite, we can do it. Any material, not a problem. Any savings, absolutely. Get exactly what you want for exactly what you want to pay in the big sale at Frank Knighton now.
For lunch, I mean. Going for lunch. But the weather looks like this. Having a thunderstorm or typhoon, something like that. No traffic. It's Sunday, that's why. In the weather like this, no one will come out around the house. Insurance company there. It's too windy. Strong. Look.
You can even feel the car.
Yeah, you can feel the car. That's what I'm saying.
You can feel the car moving.
Can flip you out, really. Look, there's something there that's come off. All the signboard, I mean. How are they doing like this? What are they doing? They're not digging the roadworks, another one.
Hey, these people, they like the roadworks.
Another roadworks. Slow down the camera, easy. Speed limit, girl, speed limit. Be careful.
The wind blew all these things.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Look
What
at
are they
it.
doing
Because
again?
the wind blew it all down.
What are they doing again? There's no football, I think. There's no tiger. I mean rugby. There's nobody there, so there's nothing. That's
No rugby today.
no rugby today. That's a Caterpillar rugby. The home of rugby. Rugby, guys, rugby. Yeah, it's quite expensive, the rugby. To watch the rugby. Yeah, but this morning the weather is really, I know since last night, oh no, howling.